A directionless day for the Dow, and the S&P loses its record high. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore. Here's what happened on Wall Street: a sluggish session for the bulls. Dow Jones Industrials on the downside by almost 26 points at the closing bell at 17,111.42. The NASDAQ, though, in anticipation somewhat of the Big Apple event tomorrow, they'll be unveiling some innovative products, I'm sure, and the NASDAQ up 9.39 on the day at 4592.39. The S&P 500 off of record high territory and down 6.17, holding 2000 at 2001.54. Over to oil, and in post-market trading, we are down 31 cents the barrel at $92.98. Gold off 1% on the session. The active contract settling at $1,254.30. And at the end of the day, we get word in that consumer credit for July was up 9.7%. That was a record. That translates to $26 billion. Dow Jones Industrial Averages down 25.94, marked them at 17,111.42. Don't never unless you will. Remember those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.